Hi guys, my name is Olusegun Rotimi Gabriel. I especially welcome you to my channel and I sincerely want to thank all our subscribers to my YouTube channel. And I want to believe you've been enjoying some of the topics that I've uploaded so far on the channel. The purpose of this update is to introduce to you a training session that will be coming up, a special training session that will be coming up on compressor in the month of October. The title of the training session is Understanding Compressor Piping and Instrumentation Diagram. So we want to be looking extensively on piping and instrumentation diagrams of compressor, both centrifugal compressor and at the same time reciprocating compressor. We'll be looking at for both steam turbine driven and the electric motor driven compressor. And not only that, we also be covering hazard and operability studies on some of the selected compressor system. Here are some of the outlines, the training outlines that we'll be covering during this training session. We'll be looking at the Lube oil console system for both centrifugal compressor and the reciprocating compressor. Not only that, we are going to be looking at the Lube oil machine system P&ID and then we'll be looking at the control oil system piping and instrumentation diagram for both centrifugal and reciprocating compressor. For the steam turbine driven compressor, we will be looking at the steam and condenser system P&ID for such compressor, and also we'll be looking at compressor seal gas and the drain system P&ID. We'll be looking at the seal gas system, which is a very important system as far as compressor is concerned. And then for reciprocating compressor in particular, we are going to be looking at the process gas system piping and instrumentation diagrams, and also we'll be looking at the nitrogen system piping and instrumentation diagram for reciprocating compressor. You see, another very important system, very particular with reciprocating compressor is the tempered water system. So we'll be looking at the tempered water system piping and instrumentation diagram, and also we'll be looking at various hydraulic system for both centrifugal and at the same time for reciprocating compressor. In particular, Hydrocom hydraulic system for reciprocating compressor. We are going to be looking at the Hydrocom hydraulic system piping and instrumentation diagram, and also we will be looking at the machine monitoring system, for this equipment. And lastly, we'll be covering the hazard and operability study for some of the selected compressor system. So these are many more, are some of the systems that we'll be looking at under this training session. The date, as you can see on your screen, the date is from the 3rd of October to 7th of October. The time is 8 p.m. West African time. This training session is going to require a registration fee, and the payment instruction is also shown on the screen. The payment instruction is shown on the screen. You can either pay directly into that account, or you can get your ticket from the link shown on the screen. You can get your ticket from the link shown on the screen. So it's promised to be a very interesting training session for those of you that have participated in one or two of my training sessions. You know that some majority of my sessions are always tailored to detail engineering perspectives, and I want to see a very large number, be it whether you are a mechanical engineer or machinery engineer or piping engineer, chemical or process engineer, even instrumentation engineer or electrical engineer. Make sure you attend, and I would like to see every one of you. So if you are here to either subscribe to my channel, you can see the link below. Just go through some of the topics I've covered in my YouTube channel, and you will see, you can have a glimpse of the way I do my training session. So this training session promised to be very interesting, and I want to see you. Thank you. Bye.